Today, I want to talk about the American Dream. As America approaches its 250th anniversary, I've been thinking about a question. What does the American Dream look like in 2026? Yesterday, a colleague of mine shared a story about one of her buyers. That buyer finally got a home under contract after writing offers on 7 different homes. 7. And honestly, that kind of persistence isn't unusual in today's market. Home prices have risen. Interest rates are higher than they were a few years ago. Inventory remains limited in most markets. It can be very frustrating for buyers. Sometimes people lose out on a house, or a couple, or a few, sometimes more. It's easy for buyers to get frustrated and wonder if home ownership is still worthy of pursuing. The National Association of Realtors recently published some interesting statistics as part of their American Dream at 250 initiative. One statistic that stood out to me is that the United States is still estimated to be short 4.7 million homes. Another is that homeowners have significantly higher net worth than renters, and the typical homeowner has accumulated more than $190,000 in wealth through home price appreciation over the last decade. Now, statistics are important, but when I think about homeownership, I don't immediately think about stats. I think about people. I think about gathering with family around the dinner table, hosting holidays, planting a garden, painting the walls your favorite color, adopting a dog and having a backyard where they can run and play. I think about having a place to call a home. The American Dream has never looked exactly the same for every generation. For some people, it was owning a small home with a white picket fence. For others, it meant starting a business or creating opportunities for their children. Today, the dream may look different. But for many people, homeownership is still a big part of it. That's why buyers continue to push forward, even when the process isn't easy. The buyer who wrote 7 offers could have stopped after the 2nd, or the 3rd, or the 4th. Instead, they kept going. Eventually, they found a home. To me, this is what this is really about. The American Dream isn't about perfection. It's not about everything happening instantly. It's about having the opportunity to work towards something meaningful. And for many families, that still includes owning a home. So as our country approaches its 250th anniversary, I think the American Dream is still very much alive. It may look different than it did a decade ago. It may take more patience and persistence. But every day, people are still buying homes, putting down roots, building wealth, and creating memories with the people that they love. And that's a pretty powerful thing. Thanks for watching.